So let me tell you, this channel is all about bringing to you very special person, my affordable beauty, fashion and household items. So get your seat. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your first time here. My name is Zara. Thank you so much for your support. Today I'm going to share with you my affordable brand inspired finds on Aliexpress, and these items are cheap, very cheap, and majorly they are just accessories. And let me know if they actually worth the price, and also if you are going to purchase these kind of items from Aliexpress. Let me get straight into today's video because it's very short and it's worth your time. Girl, it is worth it. I'm so happy to share these items with you. The first item I'll be showing you is the Hermes inspired scarf. It's so nice and the material is really soft, and I love it. It's so cute. Can you see? It's very cute, and I got it for $4. Let me know if it is worth the price. Let me know if you're going to purchase something like this, and I'm going to be leaving the link to buy this in the description box below, so check it out. First one is this LV inspired. I use this for my head sometimes. I use it on my bag, whichever. It's so cute. I think I've even used this in one of my videos. It's very cute. I'm going to be leaving the link to this in the description box below. I got this for $3.43. I got it with this Gucci inspired scarf also. I've not even used that. Okay, it's from this side, and you see something like this. So let's open it together then. Let's open it. Let's do it. Ooh, this is so nice. So the material is really nice, just like the Hermes. Can you see? I've not even used this at all. I've not used it. So see something. Can you see? Let me try and just put it on. I like using this on my suit, like something like this. I like using necktie on my suit, something like this. Can you see? I've not even like put, because it's kind of long, not as long as the Hermes, but like square. Can you see? Oh look at this. So it's really very cute. I got this too I got the LV for $3.43, and this Gucci inspired for $4.98. So the next item I'm going to show you is this right here. I got this like over 6 months ago. So let me just show you how this looks. you guys, if you want to use something that is not common, just be watching my video. You won't see it anywhere else. You'll be different. Yeah, you'll be different. So I got this from, let me see, let me be sure, because I want to be sure of the price before I tell you guys. I got it for $3.20, like $3.20. Can you see? Maybe I should just leave it for the rest of the video. So that's it. It's really nice, really nice. So the next item I'll be showing you is this. This is also like Hermes inspired twilly, and I got it for $1.23. You can use it on your bag or anything like that. So the next item I'll be showing you is this Airpod Case. Very cute, and I just like the way the name is and everything. It's just so cute. So the next item I'll be showing you, when I saw this, I remember that a lot of, you know, Instagram influencers, you know, people that use aesthetics in their picture, like they post a picture whereby the bag is just, you know, scattered or opened. They put the mirror, they put the lipstick, they put the hand cream. I got their hand cream like a while ago, so I'm going to do a kind of aesthetic with it and this, and I'll post on my Instagram. This is a mirror. Am I showing you? Okay, I'm showing you right away. So it's so cute and I love it. Let me show you what's inside. It's just this mirror, and that's it. You can just create your own aesthetic with it and you're good to go. And I got this for $6. So I know it's quite expensive for a mirror, but is it that expensive? Let me know. For me, it's really not, because these things are like brand items and it's worth it. So right now to the accessories. They are my favorite accessories. So the next thing is this LV inspired. I'm going to be showing you a picture that I saw on Instagram that I used to, you know, he made search this on Aliexpress and I got it, and it's very cute. Look, this is like LV inspired bracelets. Can you see? Let me try and just put it on so you see that it's really cute. My hand is very small, but we'll work with it. Don't worry. So like it's like this. No, something like this, like something like this. Are you talking to me? What are you saying? So I mean, it's really nice. I got them for 1.85 each. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box so you get it if you like it. So the next thing is this hair clip that I also got from Aliexpress. Can you see? I got these three together like this and I got it for $3, 3.65. It came with all of this like this. So the next item I'll be showing you is earrings that I got from this particular store that sells almost the same thing as Zara does, like their earrings and everything like that. You can buy it from this same store. I will link the store down below and also the links to the earrings. So this is the first earring. So here is the first earring. Can you see? Okay. Can you see? The next one is this. They are all Zara inspired. Yes. I'm telling you, I'm letting you in, so don't disappoint me. See, this is Zara inspired. You can also use this to create aesthetics, you know. I've seen people do it. The next one is this particular one. I so much love this. It's so cute. And the last one is this. I don't know, this is like very common now and it's so nice. I got all the Zara inspired earrings for $11. Is it really worth it? Let me know, because Zara items are quite, you know, affordable, but I just saw it cheaper. I saw it cheaper and I got it. So let me know if you are going to get it and if it is really worth the price in the comments. And also, if you like to see more videos like this, comment below. Let me know. I really want to know what my audience wants, so kindly suggest video or whatever you want me to do in the comments. So the final item I'll be showing you guys, this one is, I actually waited for this time because I wanted to watch, and I know it's not everybody that will watch to the end, so you are going to get this free. You see. So here comes the bride. Here comes the bride. Here comes the bride. Here comes the bride. Ooh, are you saying something? I think I can't hear you. What are you saying? This is almost summer period, guys. Almost summer period. Period. All those little details, they do matter, girl. They do matter. Look at this. I actually got to, this is the first one. This is pink and blue, kind of. It is stainless steel. I don't know if you can see. Okay, yeah. Yes, here we are. Here we are. So let me show you the second one. See those ones that have forwarded this video and they are not watching this part. They're on their own. Don't tell them. It's just me and you that we know this. So look, can you see? They won't show you. They won't. But girl, I'm showing you. Please subscribe. I'm doing everything I can to bring you the best offer. Trust me, guys. Look at this. So I took a picture of this with Chanel bag and I posted it sometime back on my Instagram, and it's so cute. I'm going to be showing the picture here anyway so you can see. It's very cute. Very cute, guys. This is very cute, no doubt. And they are worth, I got it for $16. $16, guys. So I got to, and actually the store that I purchased this from, I asked the seller if I could post the link directly to my YouTube, description box, and the seller told me that I should please send the link to whoever wants it. So if you want links to this, kindly send me a message on my Instagram, OLA_TORERA. I know some people don't like videos that has to do with brand items, so they might report the store, and to open Aliexpress store is really expensive. So I don't want to spoil business for this particular seller. Please just DM me, I'll paste the link to you, and as easy as that. See this. No, guys, no, wait before you go, look at this. Why would you subscribe? No, where else are you getting this? Where? And also I got this. It's like your bag accessories, or you can use it on your whatever. This looks like Chanel inspired, like this. Yeah, so it's worth it. I got it for $1. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, turn the notification bell on, like this video, comment, let me know if you enjoy watching this video. Thank you.